expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Hebrew ebook before it's gone.
Ahava, love. Ahava is the noun, and the verb is le'ehov, to love. You can use it to describe your love for people, animals, clothes, or anything. האהבה הכי גדולה שלי היא חתולים. My biggest love is cats. Oh, don't worry, I like you too. אין בעיה, no problem. Okay, for example, in the very Israeli phrase, אתה יכול לעשות לי טובה? אין בעיה. Can you do me a favor? No problem. אל תדאג. Don't worry. אל תדאג. It'll be okay. For example, אל תדאג, טיפלתי בזה. Don't worry, I took care of it. אמא. Mother. We don't have a mother-mom thing. It's always אמא. תראי אמא, אני ביוטיוב. Look, mom, I'm on YouTube. Hey! אני מצטער. I'm sorry. אני מצטער. Or for a female speaker, אני מצטערת. I'm sorry. אני מצטערת ששפכתי עלייך את כוס הקפה שלי. I'm sorry I spilled my coffee on you. שמח. Happy. יום הולדת שמח. Happy birthday. For a female it will be שמחה. מיטה. bed. יורד גשם בחוץ, אז אני רוצה להישאר במיטה כל היום. It's raining outside, so I want to stay in bed all day long. להתראות. See you. So you say it when you part with somebody. Okay, להתראות. Which literally means something like to see each other. להתראות בפעם הבאה. See you next time. כבוד. Respect. Kavod is the noun, but you can also use it as a verb. Lechabed, to respect someone. There is this iconic Israeli movie from the 70s or 80s, called Casablanca. And it was a musical, and one of the most famous songs from that movie is about respect. The main line is, כולם היו יודעים אז טוב מאוד, למי יש יותר כבוד. Everyone would then know very well who has the most respect. Yeah, it sounds a bit funny, but I didn't write it, so. ללמוד, to learn. It can mean to learn something new, it can mean to study, and it can also mean what you do in school. Like in English, you would ask, what university do you go to? And in Hebrew, you would ask, באיזו אוניברסיטה את לומדת? אתה לומד. Which means, what university do you learn in? So, yeah. חברה, company. התקבלתי לעבודה בחברה גדולה. I got a job in a big company. קצר, short. הייתם פעם בפסטיבל הסרטים הקצרים של תל אביב? Have you ever been in Tel Aviv's Short Films Festival? רחוק, far. הבית שלי רחוק מתחנת הרכבת. My house is far from the train station. מעט, few, or little if you talk about quantity. מעט מאוד אנשים הגיעו למסיבה. Very few people came to the party. That's a really sad sentence. הרבה, many or a lot. בקיץ יש הרבה אנשים בחופים של תל אביב. In the summer there are many people at the beaches of Tel Aviv. חשוב, important. האירוע הזה חשוב לי מאוד. This event is very important to me. יפה, beautiful. באביב הגליל ממש יפה. In springtime the Galilee is really beautiful. קטן, small. העיר הזאת קטנה מדי בשביל שנינו. This town is too small for the two of us. Beware. גדול, big. This town is big enough for the both of us. וואו, הבניין הזה ממש גדול. Whoa, this building is really big. מהר, fast. היא נוהגת ממש מהר. She drives really fast. כן, yes. You can use it in any way you use yes. Yeah, use it. Be positive. לא. No. I like this word. It has a fun sound, and it was my sister's first word. לא. No. בא לי, I feel like. בא לי. It's two words, בא לי, and it means I feel like, I want. And you can also use it as a negative. בא לי גלידה. I feel like ice cream. I want ice cream. לא בא לי ללכת לבית הספר. I don't feel like going to school. So it's very useful. Children use it a lot, but grown-ups use it too. די. Enough. Stop. It sounds really bad, but it's harmless. It means enough or stop. When someone is like bugging you, poking you, like, די. Stop it. Enough. Yeah. כמה זה עולה? How much is it? כמה זה עולה? How much is it? How much does it cost? מעולה. Awesome. Great. I guess maybe the Hebrew equivalent of the word awesome, it's מעולה. The masculine form is מעולה and the feminine is מעולה. Like, ההופעה הזאת מעולה. This show is awesome. It's great. איך היה הטיול? היה מעולה. How was the trip? It was מעולה. Great, awesome. Okay, that's it for today for top Hebrew phrases. Thank you so much for watching. And what is your favorite Hebrew phrase? Tell us on the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Phrases. I forgot my name.